CysterWigs.com, and this is a re-review of the Vogue wig from Wille, and this is in the color Toffee2Tone. Now this is not a review of the color. If you want to know more about Toffee2Tone or its cousin, the Sand 2-Tone, make sure you check out our CysterWigs 2 channel because there will be a color spotlight featuring both those colors coming up soon if it hasn't already aired. Vogue did not look that good on me at all when I first reviewed it, way back a long time ago. And I am not ashamed of my past, so you can actually see all of those original videos still on our website. Including the one for Vogue. I look terrible in that video, and it's not necessarily just the hair. I was really ill. My PCOS was out of control. I was the heaviest I've probably ever been. I was about 272 pounds. I was really sick, and by the way, I weigh like 162 as of today for reference. So I mean, that was me at probably my sickest, and I think that really made me want to review Vogue again. I wanted to give her a second chance because I didn't feel like it was fair for me to say that was basically the worst look I've ever had when I know that I just didn't look that great to begin with. So I digress. We're revisiting Vogue, albeit briefly, just so I can kind of show you what this looks like on me now. This one has a lot of layering. It's a long, shaggy, layered cut. It's a little bit untamed looking. Can give you some glorious bedhead looks. I mean, this is not one for somebody who likes to look sleek and polished, but if you like to look a little untamed, this wig will give that to you. This is an open cap wig that does not have a lace front. It does have a tiny monofilament crown insert that is very difficult to see with the naked eye, frankly. But I'll show you what it looks like on the underside when I take the wig off. Here's what that front hairline looks like. There's no lace front, which can be kind of a downer on a wig like this. Instead, it has like, this thing that Wille's been doing where they only give you a sliver. Sometimes that feels really good, by the way. But if you know, they've been giving you like a tiny little chunk of a lace front. Tiny, barely perceptible little chunk of a lace front. I'm not a big fan of that. Well, I've got the cap off. Let me show you the rest. She's open on the top. She's got that monofilament crown insert, and that's what that looks like on the underside. It's very thick back there. There is permatease in this wig, particularly right here at the crown, so don't get freaked out if you see little hairs poking up. That's pretty typical on a permatease wig. Once you wash them, it tends to go down a little bit. We've got open ones on the side and in the back, as well as a Velcro nape, or felt nape rather, with Velcro adjusters and felt on the ear tabs. That's basically all she wrote. This one is not particularly stretchy, but because she's mostly open, I feel like she's not that tight, but she's definitely not my ideal cap size. I'm an average large cap size, and very few wigs actually come in an average large. And there you go. This is Vogue by Wille. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. You can see Vogue and a whole bunch of other wigs at that website, so make sure you check it out. And know that when you spend money in our store, we parlay that into making more of these resources for the wig community. So if you enjoy that, now you can see that your money is going to work for you. We really appreciate having you with us on this journey. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.